News from South Hunterdon Regional High School on channel 69969969994. A problem has happened to the cell vacuole, an organelle that plays many roles within the cell. The cell vacuole is a large membrane-bound structure that has no specific shape. Its shape varies from cell to cell, according to what it has to do. It is filled with fluids of varying composition. It is responsible for isolating materials that could be deemed a threat to the cell and help contain waste products. It is also responsible for holding water within plant cells and causing the turgor pressure, the force that makes plants stand up straight. In addition, it takes part in maintaining the internal pH levels, which is important to the enzymes that work inside the cell. What has happened to this organelle? A disease that is related to the cell vacuole is called vacuolar myelopathy. Vacuolar refers to anything of the cell vacuole. Myelopathy means a functional disturbance and pathological change in the spinal cord. Vacuolar myelopathy is a disease affecting the central nervous system, caused by damage to the myelin, the fatty tissue that covers and protects nerves. The myelin sheath around the spinal cord ensures that electrical messages sent by nerves are properly directed. In vacuolar myelopathy, the myelin sheath separates from the spinal cord, forming cavities or vacuoles. This causes disruption of even simple bodily movements and functions. How can we know what causes this disease? The diagnosis of this disease can be conducted in any of three ways. A blood test to look for a possible disease-causing agent. Also, an imaging study can be done to rule out other potential disorders other than vacuolar myelopathy. And finally, a lumbar puncture, where a needle is placed between two vertebrae to check the spinal fluid. This is done to rule out other possibilities like viruses and infections, because a person with vacuolar myelopathy will have normal results from this test. What can we do for this disease? Currently, there is no treatment plans for this disease, mostly because the cause of vacuolar myelopathy is unknown to this moment. But physical therapy is said to help those with this disorder because it should help keep muscle function. The prognosis is poor for the individuals who develop vacuolar myelopathy because there is currently no treatment available for the condition. Most patients die within 6 months of developing symptoms of vacuolar myelopathy. This was Carey reporting from South Hunterdon Regional High School, Lambertville. Tune in tomorrow for more breaking news on cell organelles.